Are you fucking stupid?
Jesus, fuck. Are you blind? Цель поста.
What the fuck are you doing?
Wake the fuck up, you're retarded!
Get over here!
I was slowing down because this car was slow.
It's dangerous, mate.
What?
Dangerous.
What are you saying, mate? Don't beep at me because I was slowing down because there was a crossing there. How is that fucking dangerous, you twat?
Look at you, mate. What are you revving for?
Because you're annoying me. Should be on the phone.
Pardon?
Should be on the phone. What's that in your hand?
Seriously. Yo, you bet you wanted to stop, Tim.
Whoa, you mucker! Use your fucking eyes!
Fucking idiot.
I don't even dream about it, son. Huh? You back off on that, I'd actually back away from him if I were you. Sort your bloody gears out, dickhead. Stay here. You're in reverse, mate. You're in reverse. You're scaring the shit out of me and my mate.
Oh my god!
Yeah, you're damn right.
Yeah, boy! Whoa, what a move! What a move!
What you doing? What the fuck you doing? Upnij się kurwa w łeb. Upnij się kurwa w łeb.
Fuck you. What are you doing? No, that I can't. This is my lane. Come on. Go on, turn. Go on. I've got you on camera. See? Camera. Hello. Say hello, Motor Madness. Try. Good enough. GY14OFU.
You stupid fucking wanker! Cocksucker. Cocksucker.
Phone down. Your phone, put it down. Fucking dick. Put your fucking phone down, dickhead!
Well. Whoa, fucking. What the fuck was that, mate? You just nearly took me off the fucking bike, mate. Right, next time, use that bloody mirror, mate. You need to look in your mirror. And you need to indicate, mate. You just nearly took me off it, man. Fucking look next time.
Whoa! Fucking hell! Fuck's sake! Well, you're a cunt, aren't you, wanker?
See.
Nice! Indicate right, turn left, you stupid bastard!
Fuck me. Are you fucking serious? Fuck's sake. Can you not see me? Oh, fucking hell. One sec. I just turned the ignition off. So no, I'm not hurting yet. Yeah.
I need you to move. Hello? I need you to move. I can't. I need you to, again, move.